What are some things going into that first large multifamily that you thought would be true and ended up being very much not true?
Um, some people in the space say if you find the right deal, money will just be there magically. Like that, I don't think is true. I think that I think that you need to, build relationships. You can have the best deal in the world if you don't have strong relationships with people where they know, like, and trust you. They're not going to do that deal. So, raising capital, you can start early, going out to your contacts. And some people have said, "Hey, Darren, man, well, I don't have the experience. How am I going to go to my network?" And I'm like, "Don't sell you. You're gonna partner with a property management company that has 5,000 units in your market. You're gonna partner with an attorney that's all they do is SEC syndication type multifamily deals. You're going to partner with an experienced guy, so you sell the fact that, yeah, they know that you haven't done a deal yet, right? But you're like, hey, show them a deal, what a deal looks like, and you don't even have to have a live deal. Hey, I'm looking for things that look like this, and I'm partnering with companies like this. And then all of a sudden people are like, oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's multifamily is definitely. I mean, really, all real estate investing is a team sport, but it's absolutely true once you get into larger projects like multifamily. So, um, leveraging other people's success, which you did initially as operations, but anyone can do and should do, even if you haven't done a deal, because ultimately it's those relationships and that team that's really going to be taking down the deal, not any one individual.
Right. And the other thing is that look, everybody is at different levels, like people going after their first deal. Some people want to get a 20 unit deal, a 50 unit deal, 100 unit, somebody's already got 3,000 units, there's people at all different facets, but what people have to understand is, there are people in your network that can't relate to somebody that maybe has 3,000 units already. So they don't want to learn from that person. They want to learn from the person that is just going after their first deal. So, some people think to themselves, I don't want to post on social media, or I don't want to tell my friends and family because I haven't done it yet. I want to tell them after I've done it. But those people in those network, they want to see how you how you did it, your journey. So share your journey.
I literally just I don't think it's posted yet, but it was a clip. So I'll be posting it soon on TikTok, and it's an event that we did a few years ago where people are afraid to tell their journey because they're not Grant Cardone yet, or they haven't
Right.
done 1,000 units or maybe 100 unit multifamily, or they haven't bought 20 single families. At the end of the day, in Catch Me If You Can, he talked about he taught this class, and it was like, how did you teach this class and do it proficiently? He was like, I just had to be one or two chapters ahead of the students. So
Right.
wherever you are in life, you're one or two chapters ahead of someone. So it's not really your right to judge the knowledge that you put out and your experience that you put out, because someone out there will get value from it. Not everyone, but someone will. And it's that connection that really makes an impact. And then you just do that consistently as you grow. People love watching that.
It's so true. You hit it on the head.